Welcome to the heart of Europe, a country synonymous with romance, art, and timeless elegance. France, the land of love and light, is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered. From its iconic landmarks to its charming countryside, France offers a tapestry of wonders that captivate the soul. The essence of France. France is more than a destination, it's a feeling, known as l'hexagone. Because of its hexagonal shape, this country has been a cultural beacon for centuries. France invites you to explore its storied past, immerse yourself in its vibrant present, and dream about its innovative future. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing and liking this video. It would make us very happy. The iconic landmarks of Paris, no journey through France would be complete without a stop in Paris, the city of light. Standing tall above the skyline, the Eiffel Tower is not just a structure, but a symbol of human ingenuity. Wander through the cobblestone streets of Montmartre, where artists like Picasso and Monet found inspiration. Visit the Louvre, home to the enigmatic Mona Lisa, and marvel at the grandeur of Notre Dame Cathedral. As you stroll along the Seine River, the magic of Paris reveals itself in every corner. The love locks on Pont des Arts, the glow of the city at night. Paris is a symphony of romance and beauty. A walk through French history, France's history, is a fascinating tale of kings, revolutions, and cultural evolution. The Palace of Versailles stands as a monument to the grandeur of the French monarchy. Walk through the Hall of Mirrors, where treaties were signed and history was made. The French Revolution reshaped the nation, and its ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity echo worldwide. Visit the Bastille site in Paris, or the medieval town of Carcassonne, where ancient walls whisper tales of a bygone era. Charm of French countryside. Leave the cities behind and step into the idyllic French countryside. Provence enchants visitors with its lavender fields and rustic villages. The Loire Valley, often called the Garden of France, is dotted with fairy tale chateaux and vineyards. Normandy's beaches tell stories of courage from D-Day, while Brittany's rugged coastline and Celtic roots offer a glimpse into a unique culture. The rolling vineyards of Bordeaux and Burgundy promise not only spectacular views, but also world-class wines. Art and innovation. France has long been a cradle of creativity. From the impressionist masterpieces of Claude Monet to the avant-garde works of Picasso, French art has shaped global culture. Visit the Musée d'Orsay to witness the evolution of art, or take a stroll through the streets of Nice, where modern art blends seamlessly with historic charm. In technology and fashion, France continues to lead. The Paris Fashion Week sets global trends, and French tech hubs like Station F are pushing the boundaries of innovation. The French Riviera, a slice of paradise. Head south to the Côte d'Azur, where azure waters meet glamorous towns. The French Riviera has been a playground for the rich and famous for decades. Stroll through the cobbled streets of Saint-Tropez, soak in the artistic vibe of Antibes, or try your luck in the luxurious casinos of Monaco. mountains and adventure. France's natural beauty extends to its towering peaks and lush valleys. The French Alps are a haven for adventure seekers, offering world-class skiing in the winter and hiking in the summer. Mont Blanc, the highest peak in Europe, is a bucket list destination for mountaineers and nature lovers alike. The Pyrenees in the south and the Jura Mountains in the east provide a serene escape, where nature reigns supreme. Gastronomy, a feast for the senses. French cuisine is an art form that tantalizes the taste buds. Start your day with a flaky croissant and a cup of strong coffee at a Parisian cafe. Delight in the creamy richness of brie or camembert cheese paired with freshly baked baguette. Savor a classic coq au vin or ratatouille for dinner, and indulge in delicate pastries like macarons and eclairs for dessert. For wine lovers, France is a paradise, with regions like Champagne, Burgundy, and Provence offering exquisite varieties. The spirit of France. France is a land where tradition meets modernity, where every stone has a story, and every meal is a celebration. It's a country that inspires poets, enchants travelers, and leaves a lasting mark on the hearts of all who visit. Whether you're wandering through medieval villages, sipping wine under a Provençal sun, or standing in awe before the Eiffel Tower, France is an endless journey of discovery. Conclusion. A timeless destination. France is not just a place, it's a way of life. It's where history comes alive, art takes form, and every moment feels like a masterpiece. So pack your bags and let the wonders of France capture your heart and imagination. Bon voyage.